Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add and use NVIDIA game filters. Right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go and find the NVIDIA app. Okay, just click on it. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead over to settings right here in the left panel. Then make sure that NVIDIA overlay is enabled, as well as game filters in photo mode. Enable it, and then once that's done, go and find, you can close this one, the game that you wanted to play. Now press Alt plus Z or Alt plus Z, okay, to open up the NVIDIA overlay. Now in here, just find photo mode or game filters. Click on it. And as you can see here, some games do not work with NVIDIA game filters. If you're playing CS2 or Counter-Strike 2, as well as Valorant, this won't work as well. Okay, you will need to find a game that works with NVIDIA filters. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and find one. Now let's go ahead and press Alt plus Z once more. Game filters. And as you can see here, we now have a ton of options for this game. The other game, we only have one. Okay, it depends or solely depends on a game. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and check on dynamic vibrance right here. You can just change the intensity just like so. As you can see here, and saturation boost. Okay, and if you want to delete it, well, just click on it, make sure that it is highlighted and delete it. Now another option, for example, you have here sharpen plus or sharpen. Select one, go back to the top, and then add in some intensity, as you can see here, or lower the intensity. All right. Now if you can't use the NVIDIA game filters, don't worry, you still have an option. Okay. All you got to do is just open up the NVIDIA control panel right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Adjust Desktop Color in Settings and just amp up the digital vibrance. Okay, set it to 70, 80, 90, depending on your monitor. Mine works perfectly fine with 70 right here. And that is it. That is how you add and use NVIDIA game filters. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.